Hello car lovers! Have you seen the dreaded check engine light pop up with the code P0339? This could be related to the crankshaft position sensor circuit intermittent. It might sound complicated, but don't worry, we'll walk you through what it means, where it's located, and how to fix it. Stay tuned, because by the end of this video you'll know exactly how to tackle this issue. P0339 is a diagnostic trouble code, or DTC, that means there's an intermittent problem with the crankshaft position sensor circuit. The crankshaft position sensor plays a crucial role in determining the position of the crankshaft, helping your engine's control module synchronize the timing of ignition and fuel injection. If this sensor fails or sends inconsistent signals, it can lead to engine performance problems such as misfires, stalling, or even difficulty starting the vehicle. So where exactly is the crankshaft position sensor located? The sensor is typically mounted near the crankshaft pulley or flywheel, depending on the make and model of your vehicle. It's usually located at the bottom of the engine, close to the timing belt or chain. For most vehicles, it's on the front or side of the engine block. Here's how you can find it. Look for the crankshaft pulley. It's usually at the front of the engine, connected to the crankshaft. Trace the wiring from the crankshaft pulley. The sensor will be nearby. Inspect the wiring. Look for any loose connections, frayed wires, or corrosion around the sensor. If the sensor wiring is fine, you may need to replace the crankshaft position sensor itself. You'll need a specialized tool to remove the sensor, but it's generally an easy fix if you're comfortable working with your car's engine. If this video helped you diagnose your P0339 code, give it a thumbs up, and leave any questions you have in the comments. Don't forget to subscribe to IG Garage for more troubleshooting guides and tips for car enthusiasts. If you want to learn more about other engine-related codes, check out these videos next. P0010 crankshaft position sensor circuit malfunction, another important engine timing issue. P0098 intake air temperature sensor 2, circuit high voltage, which could also be affecting your engine's performance. Thanks for tuning into IG Garage, and I'll see you in the next video.